Blake Anthony here again down in South Padre Island at the third annual 2023 Ron Hoover Fishing Tournament benefiting Make-A-Wish. I have Chris Hoover with me, and I want him to share just a little bit about what this tournament means to him. Chris?
Thank you, Blake. I appreciate that. And man, this is just a really, really cool event. Our Donna store has done a great job of kind of doing all the legwork. I cannot thank our employees enough. I cannot thank our sponsors enough. I mean, look around, you got all these boats out here coming in now at the weigh-in. We're kind of at the height of the weigh-in. We've got another hour or so to go. So thank you, South Padre Island, for hosting this and helping us host this.
Thank you, Chris. We appreciate it, and next year will be even bigger and better because we're continuing this tradition of the Ron Hoover Fishing Tournament benefiting Make-A-Wish.
Just have a lot of fun with your friends and your family, and the byproduct is a great support for a great cause. Make-A-Wish is very important to us. We do as much as we can really for them, and this is maybe the pinnacle of it.
One thing we want to say, 3 years ago when we started this tournament, we sat down and said, if we are going to do a tournament, we are going to put on the biggest, baddest tournament possible. Yeah. We are going to give away a whole lot of cash, and we are going to give away a whole lot of door prizes. First place this year, the boat you fished off today, where did you buy that boat, sir?
Is there anywhere else to buy a boat? How about Ron Hoover?
Yeah. All right. The boat you fished off today, where did you buy that boat? Ron Hoover Where did you buy that boat, sir? Ron Hoover. The boat you fished off today, where did you buy it, sir? Here. Yeah! brand new boats. We're gonna draw for both boats at the same time. You don't want your name called.
It's a knockout.
The last person standing in either boat is gonna win that boat.
You do not want to be this next name, right? The next name called does not win the boat. You do not want to be Juan Cisneros.